Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today is 2025 July 28th and it's time for Asia to trade, and it's also at 8:32 a.m. in Beijing time. Welcome to these videos. So let's see yesterday's performance. We can see that Bitcoin has a really bullish phenomenon during the last 2 days, and you can see that it's just go through the red line. Now it's just in the top line, and we can see that if we can just get to the all-time high in the next few days, maybe we can just see about the VV goal very soon. So let's see about it. And you can see that Ethereum is also pretty bullish. They still did not broke out to the uprise trade line, and you can see that still bullish. Now it's just go through nearly 1,900. It's pretty bullish. So let's see about the yesterday's with guys the traders. They say war or something like that. So let's see about it. The first one, let's see Vivi. We yesterday said for spot holders, we may start averaging down from golden pockets 111 to 112k. A week could go as low as around 10,000 and 8,000. You can see that. So we may add 3 averages from 112 to the 100k and 8,000. This should happen around August 8th. It's around 3 days. We couldn't be selling anything before September 5th. First rejection is 132 and 134,000. It goes non-stop. Some else could do 1 to 3x within a month. So the above chart is not different from what I posted earlier, and it's a zoomed in version of the same chart. You can see that. And to about, you can see the short-term analyze weekly close update. Weekly close well above TGIF to 170,777 and 120k rejection descended down to 80,000 areas as Monday's low. Monday's low prompts to the 122k minimum. Anything more than that depends, but daily form the lower low. So I am assuming top of the leg is around 122-ish. So that's Vivi's opinions. Still very bullish, and still need to be careful some crucial position that Vivi mentioned that. So let's see about Johnny. Okay, Johnny said, as one thing that's kind of too hard to trade someday, we can pump, so if you have FOMO, it's best to log out and come back after weekly close. FOMC this week as well, any retesting to the 170,000 to 116,000 are all for buying. Ethereum looks like it's going to a new all-time high in the next few weeks. Market looks like it's setting up for a push towards 130,000. Suddenly, 80,000 Bitcoin and price barely moving was one of the most obvious bullish signals. Glad we are able to foresee that happening. The weekly clearly close over, back to our regular schedule. That is, Johnny said, still very optimistic about the futures trade days. And so let's see Daniel. Okay, so Daniel, that's okay. So the great follow through this week on the long taken for Friday. From the TP1 on my long trade, I'm waiting for 180,800 on POC. Perfect. This is TP1 now hit on the long. You see that simple it was to wait for the MS change Friday evening and have a super easy and stress-free long. just profits, not drawn down at all things entry. That is why I took MS change long. Very long probability setup, just takes longer to activate. Okay, so still very getting follow through right now. Great to see. I'm taking a short now from the range VA edge. Also, SFP from Thursday's high, now reaction so far. So target 1 on the short will be daily session VWAP. Remember the semi gap to tame. I'm not closing my long trade from Friday, but now I have a short open which is nice so long from the low zone Friday and short from today's high. Not bad with a bit of patience right. I still do remain more bullish by the way, but this is a nice entry setup. The short, as I was here at the computer, I'm happy to take it. If I was FK, it's one that I would have missed and not being upset. So that's a standing opinion. So that is all today's sharing. So if you guys love our videos, you can subscribe to us and just you have the free opportunity to experience our channels. So you can see we have a lot of great traders, great famous coin. You can see, and so that's all of the videos. So I enjoy your day, enjoy your time. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.